Having a personal website is an important component in building your personal brand. Having a strong presence on social media is important too, but you don't own or control any of these social media platforms. Just imagine what happened to Twitter in Nigeria. Your website is a platform that you own and control. And in many cases, visiting your website will be the number one step your target audience will take in becoming your clients. First impression is very critical. When your target audience visits your website, they should be able to understand who you are and how you can help them. Quickly, I'll be discussing 5 key ways to optimize your personal website. Number 1 is get a creative designer to turn your name to a professional logo. And if you are looking for a creative design service, let's connect. I'm your sure plug. Number 2 is make sure your value proposition is displayed prominently on your home page. That is, who you help and how you help them. Number 3 is take professional photographs and use these professional photographs throughout your website and your social media profile. Number 4 is social proofs. Add media features and testimonies from your customers or clients. The 5th key point to optimize your personal website is have a CTA, that is, call to action. Give your website visitors a clear next step to take. Basically, those are the 5 key ways to optimize your personal website in building your personal brand.
Rep Africa. Rep Africa. Imagine more.